It felt like it really hurt, and I really wanted it to feel better. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Dr. Matt's gonna get us started.
All right, well, we got an intro today from Catie. First started seeing us when your ear was bugging you, right?
Yeah.
What was that like with the ear? Tell us about it.
It felt like it really hurt, and I really wanted it to feel better.
And you had a ear infection, or you were getting ear infections, right?
Yeah, and I had a really runny nose.
And a really runny nose. And when we were doing adjustments to you, what did that do?
I feel a lot better when I was coming in here, and then when I stopped coming in here, it got a lot worse.
And you stopped coming in because you were gone on some trips and school started and you noticed it got worse, right? And then when you came back in, it cleared up pretty quick or got better, right?
Got better.
Tell us how old you are.
I'm 8 years old.
With a kid, we don't do any cracking, right? Did we crack you at all?
Never did.
We never did that. So would you say any of the adjustments hurt when we did them to you?
They felt really good, when I have some things going on.
Mm-hmm.
It would hurt for a second, and then it would be done, and it would feel a lot better.
So when you say it would hurt for a second, was it kind of soreness, or kind of if someone's touching your leg? What kind of a hurt? How would you describe that?
It when you're pressing on something.
Oh, like pressing.
Yeah, where it hurts sometimes, where you were pressing.
Go ahead and push on me. How did it feel like? Okay.
Or but it was up here.
So the spot was just kind of sensitive, so even pressing on it was just a little sensitive?
Yeah.
So you heard it from an 8-year-old. We are using really light touch and just a little bit of pressure, but if a spot's sensitive, it might feel a little sensitive during, but afterward it feels a lot better. So I'm going to have you slide where I'm sitting right here, and then we are going to check for where we need to make an adjustment to. In ear infections in particular, we get great results with because of the connection of the nervous system to the control of what drains the ear naturally. There's a muscle, tensor villi palatini. That muscle drains the ear, and naturally it should do that when our nervous system is in harmony and working well. When we have an overstressed nervous system, the muscles of the body stop working in the ideal fashion. They can become tight or tense. So when we make an adjustment that's focused more on changing the brain, we restore function to those muscles, and we see those ears tend to clear up pretty quickly with this. Look to the side. Thank you. Now look to the other side. Good. Now back to the middle. I'm going to turn your head just slightly this way. There we go. And then that same amount of pressure I have right there. And this is an adjustment that's designed to really change the brain. We're focusing on the upper neck with this adjustment, an area called the atlas. Okay, turn your head to this side for me, please, and then back to the middle. And what I'm looking for on this, and where I know if I did my job, the muscles should immediately change and her posture should change too. And good, much better. And then when we look at the hips, they should be even. Yeah, good. Now let's have you go ahead and lay face down right here for me, please. And we use a method in here called the TriChord Method. I'll actually show you this wall right here. So if it were like a band, and we say the nervous system, your brain is the star of the show in here. So where I'm finding the spots to make adjustments to are not just based on where there's tight muscles, but where there's tension in the spinal cord. Does that hurt your legs when I bring it up, or does that feel tense?
No.
Okay. Just making sure. Yeah, that's where we're going to be. Okay, I'm going to do one right here, right on your head. Right there. This is the occiput. Yeah. Right there. Ready? Here we go. That's what an adjustment looks like on an 8-year-old. Very gentle. And that amount of pressure, if we put on a spot that is just a random place, it's very light. All right, now let's have you seated.
I recommend coming here because it's really cool, and they're all...
Perfect. You did really good. Well, thank you. Thanks for sharing your story.